Let's look at this. We're going to talk about the tension of a motor acting on a belt. So we have something like this, and then like this, and then you will find that this side maybe is just flaking. Like let's do like this, and then here you find that the tension is a little bit lower. So this side is a tight side and this side is a slack side. So the force that is applied here is higher than the force that is underneath here, because the more force is concentrated here on the side, and then here the side is not too much force because it's not carrying the load. Like if you were to put a load, let me see, maybe on top here, the load will need a lot of strength and energy to pull it or to rotate, but this side it won't need much. So this side is a tight side, this side is a slack side, where this power on T1 is greater than the power this side. So the ratio here normally it depends. So if you are given something like this, they tell you that these ratios, we have T1 over T2, they say it's 3. Yeah, this is the ratio. So the ratio between the two is and 3 times the small one. The T1 is 3 times the leg sides part. So leg side, not the leg side. So you have something like 3 times yeah 3 times T2. So because we have T2 here, and then we cross multiply, this one is like over 1, and then you cross multiply this times 3 and 1 times this. So here normally we don't write the coefficient of 1, but here because the 3 you can write from 2 to upwards the coefficient to show that but here we know it that is 1, the coefficient. Okay, the ratio of the tension is T1 over T2, and 3 is equal to 3. If the tension of the lower tension is 350, calculate the tension of the higher tension side. So we are looking for T1, which is the higher tension side. So to solve that, say T1, and then because we are given T2, this is T2, the 351 is T2, 351 is T2 unit 1. So we'll multiply the 350 by 3, and then we'll get what we call it's 350. So 350 or times 3 will get something like 1050 Newton. So this is how we get the T1. So this is the force that will be acting on top and the bottom. On top it will be like 1050 Newton, and the bottom one, because it's given, is 350. So if you have one of this one, you can find one of this one. If maybe you are given T1 as this one, then they say find, you will do the same thing. You will get the ratio, or you have to calculate the ratio. It depends on the what you are asked to do. So if you want more video quizzes and everything to practice about this part of a subject or a module, you can just go here and visit and check quizzes, yeah, and videos and more other video for practice. And thank you for watching. See you on the next video.